Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 2 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy! Remember, back in Grammar 2.5.1, we learned how to express conclusions and decisions like, just do this then, with the word 就 plus a verb. For example, how do you say, if you don't want to go, just rest at home then? 你不想去，就在家休息吧。很好。就 expresses just do this then. Now, can 就 be used to express just in other cases? For instance, in just 20 minutes, I'll be there. Actually, we can. We say, 我20分钟就到。我20分钟就到。Now think about this for a second. What's the difference between in 20 minutes I'll be there and in just 20 minutes I'll be there? What does the word just express? It's implying that 20 minutes is a very short time, isn't it? The person is saying you don't have to wait a long time, just 20 minutes, I'll be there. So learning how to use the word 就 can help you add similar nuances when making a promise like this. And optionally, you can add 了 at the end of the sentence. 我20分钟就到了。我20分钟就到了。It won't be long. 我20分钟就到了。More examples. How do you say, the students get to the classroom at 7:30? 同学们7点半来教室。What's the verb here? That's right, it's 来 to come. So 来 is the verb. So you can add 就 before the verb 来 to express just or as early as. 同学们7点半就来教室。同学们7点半就来教室。The students get to the classroom as early as 7:30. 就 here is expressing that they got here faster or earlier than you expected. Optionally, you can indicate completeness by adding a 了。同学们7点半就来教室了。This means the students got to the classroom as early as 7:30. More examples. I'll take the plane. In 1.5 hours, I'll arrive at Beijing. 我坐飞机1个半小时到北京。我坐飞机1个半小时到北京。This becomes, 我坐飞机1个半小时就到北京了。And 了 here indicates that the trip has already been completed. 我坐1个半小时就到北京了。Only 1.5 hours. More examples. It will just take a few minutes to get to the restaurant. 饭馆走几分钟就到了。Let's take a look at this in a dramatization. Again, somebody is getting hungry.
龙将，我想吃羊肉。
好啊，我知道一个饭馆，走吧。
离这远不远？
不远不远，走几分钟就到了。
好。
我说什么了？不远不远，走几分钟就到了。Not far at all, just a few minutes walk. And that's it. You can review this grammar information in your textbook under Lesson 7, Notes number 2.